Hey, it's Brad from X Digital. Today's December 4th, 2020. Just want to give you an inside look on some projects and machines that we're currently rebuilding and about to ship to some clients. So come with me, let's take a look. So right here we have a Xerox C70. It's been totally refurbished to like new condition. This machine is actually sold. It's been refurbished, but it's waiting to be final tested. We sold it to a client in Phoenix, Arizona. This will be delivering and shipping next week. So right here we have a Xerox Vera 144EA. It's a Gen 4 model. It's been totally refurbished. It's waiting final testing. We sold it to a client in San Diego, along with another 157EA that we have next door in another warehouse. So you can see the whole machine. See its capabilities, but no, here we have a 4-tray feeder. The client really wanted scanners on both of his feeders, so we have a scanner on the 144 and the 157. Then looking down the line, it has the Xerox stacker stapler as a finisher. So we have another machine. We've been pretty busy. We have a Xerox D125, 125 page in a black and white machine. We just sold this machine and a 242. Yes, a DocuColor 242. It's our first one of those in about 5 years, but the client really wanted one. We sold both these machines to a client in Los Angeles. Let me take you through and show you how the D125 is configured. So yeah, right here we have the 2-tray oversized feeder. It's where you want to run all your larger sheet size and thicker paperweights. The client wanted an external fiery on his machine. And then looking down the line, we have the standard finisher on the end. So we're getting this machine final tested and ready to ship. And then here's the 242 that I was talking about that goes with the D125. You can see it's configured with a booklet maker finisher and a bustled fiery on the back. This machine is going to Los Angeles as well with the D125. So here's another machine. It's a Xerox Color 1000i press. It's been refurbished to like new condition. It's actually for sale right now. So if you're looking for a cheaper way to get into the metallic colors, the gold, silver, the clear, the 1000i is a great machine. It's available for sale today at X Digital. Has the 2-tray oversized feeder. Then looking down the line, it has the Xerox production stacker. High capacity stacker with the tray. Here's the PCIP, and then there's the external fiery in the back. So comes with the gold, silver, and clear toner and developer cards, and it's available today for sale at X Digital. And then in our demo room, we have a Versant 3100 set up. We actually sold it to a client in Phoenix, Arizona. It's delivering in the next 2 weeks. It's been refurbished to like new condition, just needs some final testing. But yeah, it's fully configured with the external fiery, the 2-tray oversized feeder, the interface to curler, the inserter option, the production ready booklet maker down below. This machine had a couple 100,000 pages on the meter. And yeah, looking forward to getting these machines final tested and getting them shipped and installed and on service contracts. Yeah, the reason why we have probably about 4 or 5 machines needing final testing is we have 2 technicians in Dallas, Texas, installing an iGen 150 at a client. So we're waiting for them to get back here to finish final testing and get these machines shipped. So yeah, hopefully you liked our behind the scenes look into some of the action that's going on at X Digital, some machines that we're getting ready to ship, and just a little bit behind the scenes on what's going on. So thanks for watching our video. If you're interested in buying really any Xerox equipment, part, or supply, please reach out to us via our email address, our website, or our telephone number. Hey, thanks a lot for watching our video.